Hi guys. Hi Bob. Hi Bob. Okay, I'm being weird. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have complex in. Look. They look pretty real. Like, I mean, the realest that I've ever seen. In my eyes, I just put them in, so I'm a little red right now. These are actually my favorite. Uniqso. Realistic so. So this is what it came in. Right here. That's what it looked like. I got green because I want to do Starfire. Don't want to do her. I want to cosplay her. So, yeah, I want to cosplay Starfire, but I didn't want anything like too abnormal. I want to do a more realistic looking one. I want to be able to wear them and get used to them beforehand because I'm not used to wearing contact as much as you people that do. But yeah, I really like them. They were easy to put in. See, they're brown. Just move it right back in there. See? Yeah, my eyes brown under there. These are prettier. Nobody's gonna know. I'm just changing my eye color from here on out. I'm gonna tell them I went to Brazil and got my eyes changed. The people in the shows. Yeah, but I really like these. Yeah, I like the little grainy looking things in there, like real eyeballs. I would recommend these lenses. These are the only ones I got so far, but I really like them. I actually got a pair for my little cousin to try out. Aside from this, but yeah, I would recommend them. There's a link in the description down below. So if you want 10% off, you can go there. If you guys want to get some bomb ass lenses, use code Team Ashen. Use the Team Ashen code for eyes as awesome as these. Look, you don't need your mom or your daddy have pretty eyes like this. You just need to do the Uniqso. So that's all. Alright, Team Ashen, 10% off. Code down below. Yeah, they're awesome. Do it. Hurry.